Ayun ka?
Di ba ako mahirapang marinig ka? Marinig mo ako.
Sisigaw naman ako sa'yo. Remember yung pagkuman natin. Load, insert me magazine. Ha? Take ready. Yeah. Kinasa mo, pag sinabi ko safety on.
Nawala din yung nasa labas
Load.
ng papel eh.
Make ready.
Kaya
Safety
pagkabit
up.
sa papel,
Or safety on.
pagkabit niya rin yung papel.
Okay. Kasi lagi nakapigil-pigil ha? Sinabi ko safety down. Or safety off.
Ay,
Firing sir ha?
pwede.
Tayo sa atin.
Sige sir, sige po.
Malapit sir.
Malapit ka daw.
Video yan.
Oh, video to.
Magazine, magazine with 8 rounds. So, pag insert na magazine, ganito ang hawak. Ito. Tapos sa side mo siya. Right. Dito. Sakto yan. Okay. Kakasama siya. So, kasama. Diretso lang. Check. Madali ha. Kasi hindi. Diretso. Basta. Ulitin natin siya lang. Sara, hawak. Yan lang. Kasama siya. Huwag mong maalalayan. Pagbalik. So pag kinasa mo, okay, again. Okay, go. Make ready. Diretso, tapos bitaw. Okay. Safety up. Safety on. Okay. Okay. Target at your front, ha? 2 rounds, ha? 2 rounds. Okay. So, stance. Patingin na stance. Okay. 2 rounds, okay? Ready? 2 rounds, 2 shots. So, aim at your target. Safety off. Okay, good. Good, ha? At my command, ha? At my command, ha? 2 rounds. Fire 2 rounds. Take your time, ha? Huwag mong trigger kagad, ha? Take your time. Okay. Go on. Good. 2 rounds again. One round more. Okay, stop. Safety up. Safety up. Trigger finger out. Okay. Pagdiligan. Pansin mo, sir. Ayan, okay siya. I-trigger mo. Masyadong malalim. Try mo i-squeeze yung trigger na. Huwag yung ganun. Try mo ganun, ha? Okay. Chamber loaded, ha? Chamber loaded. Give it 2 rounds at the target. Safety off. Squeeze the trigger gently, ha? 2 rounds, take your time. Go on. Relax lang, relax. Stop. Trigger finger out. Safety up. Ram. Mawala yung ang ganyan yung kamay mo. Dapat up. oh. Bago na ng konti. Yan. Sige na. Yan. Walang trigger break ka. Take your time, ha? 2 rounds. Okay. Go on. Good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Another round. Okay. 2 rounds again. So, the condition of gold is over, meaning the load. Magazine load. All you have to do now is release the magazine. Okay. Ito, press mo to. Ganyan, sige, press mo yan. Tapos sabihin mo yung bala. Good, gusto mo yung bala, magazine. Okay. Rock the slide. Ito mo, dalawang beses. 1, 2, okay. Show me clear. I-stop mo lang na gano'n. Silipin mo yung finger. Is it clear? Okay, good. Hammer down, bitawan mo. Hammer down.